Assalamu alaikum, I am Samahan and today I am going to tell you how to make this beautiful paper crumpled effect and also how to write this type of text on it. So there is also a crumpled effect in the text that you are watching here. So why to delay it? Let's start. First of all, make a new document as you know, and then make it of the traditional style 1920 by 1080 resolution 72 and name it anything that you want. I will leave it like this and okay. So here first of all what you have to do is take the gradient tool and then select this option black and white, okay, and this from center mode difference here opacity make it 100%. Then first do it like this and just start doing it. Make it busy as much as you can. Because as much the paper is turned, it looks as real as much. And this is the final. So after this go and select this filter and stylize, then go to emboss and make it its angle to 135 and height 5 pixels, amount 200, and then press OK. So you have seen there is a beautiful text crumple effect on the paper, except this one. So we will leave it like this. But if when you are doing in this, remember one thing, why not to correct it? Just press Alt Z and then make it like this, so it will filled. Now there is nothing left of that mistake, and stylize, then go to emboss, and now we have seen here there is nothing. Leave the value that we have done first. Now press OK. Now here is the paper that we want. After this, go to text and press type your text. I will leave select whatever font you want. I will go with Clipper Personal and select the move tool, make it in the perfect center, then Ctrl D to deselect, Ctrl T to transform, Alt and Shift to make it bigger, and this press OK. After this, go ahead and rasterize it and then create a clipping mask now and change this to overlay. So here is the our this effect. So if you don't make this is one way. I will also tell you another way. Again, take the text tool and write here paper fact control A. Again, make it in the center. Control D to reset, Control T to transform. You know how to do this all thing. And now no clipping mask, just go and make it overlay. So you have seen this is the again like this, but the only difference in this and this is if we done this, look at this, and the only difference is if we have this layer, this type of text that is not restricted, we are not able to make its selection, and if we have this, so we are able to make its selection. So our result is ready. Thanks for watching my video, and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching my video.